It taught me about empathy, like knowing that many people in Snapchat use it every day and can see these type of filters and be more empathetic with these topics. It helped me to be a more open-minded person and to new opportunities and to new people, and also to be a more empathetic person.
Hello, my name is Hannah Cuevas. I'm from Mexico City and I work at a Queen School. First of all, thanks for inviting us to this amazing opportunity and this workshop with Snapchat. It was a great experience for our students. And I believe kids are really creative and have a lot of ideas to solve situations they live in, and they should have the opportunity to express them in their own context.